Now we're going to go over the operation of the 403Z applicator. Your applicator comes with a very small part. This is the 403Z-59 called the catalyst insert hat. That hat will get threaded into the B port, the low volume side of your applicator head. Once that part is threaded in, connect your fully assembled shroud assembly to the end of the applicator and tighten by hand until it feels snug. At this point, I can pull my trigger. Remember, when you're running this applicator, you need to pull the trigger all the way on, and when you let go, let it all the way off. There's no option to throttle this trigger, and you can get a bad mix if you try to throttle the flow of the material. Once the flow of material coming out of the applicator reaches a consistent desired color, release your trigger and run your bead.